No, no.
No.
Honey, okay.
No pictures.
No pictures?
No.
I just want to talk to you about dinner here. We're not going to have fried rice. Helen. No fried rice. Chicken.
No.
Yeah, we're going to have chicken tonight. Oh, who's home?
Mama.
Mama's home? Hello.
What are you guys doing?
Well,